Yeah, dude, every time you've gone behind me, I've never seen you again.
Put them in the middle.
You're like a goddamn fucking Houdini back there. Dude, I gotta be careful. I always sit off there.
Oh, yes, lit up by technical.
Yeah, that one I apologize for. That one wasn't your bad. I was like, yeah, where the fuck did you go? You're like, I got caught by that technical. I was like, oh shit. Okay, well, I saw the technical, didn't even think about a grenade. Grenade did not cross my mind. My ground, run.
Where are we heading, dog?
Can't tell if that's friendly or enemy to the
Yeah, I was
left.
about to say,
Are we going right? What are you doing?
People around my screws loose.
Well, you lead the way.
Yeah, that guy right there, I don't know if he's black or tan. Up against the fence.
That's him.
That green? I see a stop sign.
Lead the way. Or do we want to follow them down there? Usually, did you say I see a stop sign?
It's like, I don't know.
Don't forget your ears are out.
Oh.
Oh, those guys are tan, so I think we're good on that side. I know they ran into E over there. So. Yeah, I think we took 6.
Or free those later. Hold on, Kale. We got Brandon's behind us. I think they're in the basement.
Yeah, they're good.
Huh?
I said I would assume they would be. Push up to these guys and help them.
There's people coming out of that main door.
Yeah.
They might be in that building right there.
Yeah, they're in front of us. I'm following you. Head over towards our friends over here. To the right.
We can swoop around, check them on the other side.
I'm game.
Got the corner. They're all tan that way.
Yeah. Tan.
Oh yeah, we put it right next there. Right there. That'd be great. Nothing is worse than a wet ass. Maybe wet socks. Well, boys, that'll be their torture. Is we just take them sit in that fucking puddle.
We're in the door. Oh, wait. We're going a different way. Everybody up? Up. Ready? Jack's getting revived right now. Or, fucking bitch.
Throw a grenade down there.
Appreciate that.
Uh-huh.
Technical. Right. Move.
Oh, that gate hurt.
Ooh, bro. I see it. I don't know what that fucking truck's doing, but I am getting over there. Yep.
Fucking hard there.
I have no idea. It's still just got that black flag with the handprint.
Oh, they're fucking coming here.
Oh yeah, they're moving this way.
We're moving.
Vehicle! Run!
Go, get inside, get inside!
Go! Vehicle! Friendlies are not sitting.
I like the way you take kill. Move. I hit my shoulder real hard on that door. To that gate. What do you have any idea what you're doing?
Yeah, they're definitely looking at us.
Everybody in there is about to get shit.
For a hot minute, and now I see why we couldn't.
Dead.
Dead man!
Yeah.
Dead
Yeah,
man!
stop.
Good shot, brother.
Dead man!
Good shot.
So what should we go about those guys real quick?
How long is it disabled for?
Oh, 5. What's it? 5 minutes? 5 minutes. Yeah, get out of here. Shoot, be on with your bad self.
In?
Yeah.
Connor. In.
What's up, Bert? Where we going? Ed? Well, I don't know, but there's flashlights coming towards us that way down that hallway.
Hey, that's
I don't know if it's tan coming down that hallway, but yeah, that's what the fuck.
There's somebody in the fucking brush over there.
That's what the got.
Oh yeah, he's just running now. I don't know what he's wearing. I don't see it.
If there's anybody I got faith in that can do it,
You said green?
Oh, I see. There's two.
I
of
have
them.
no idea.
There's two of them right there. I think they're tan. 2 snipers. Oh, there's a sniper.
Yeah, what are they?
I'm just gonna back up.
I think they're not.
But if they were green, they'd be shooting right now.
Well, they could, if they're. Well, he has a sniper, so he can't engage us. He would be too close.
Killed. There's like 6 at the end of that hallway looking at us. I have no idea. I can't tell. I can't hear them. They're yelling. I just can't hear what they are. But they're definitely pointing guns this way. Tan! 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 That's green or black. All right. No way I haven't hit them.
There ain't no fucking way. I may have blown out my shoulder.
green down there, I'm assuming.
I believe so.
Alright.
Keep yelling.
Everybody. I don't know how to go about this without getting fucking shot because I want to go around. I'm looking for a specific set of dudes. You have wholesale?
I do, but I couldn't physically see anything with them.
Do you have Xbox or?
I did, but I wouldn't.
You don't have a license. Pretend I didn't see it.
Okay. I was like, I'll put my goggles back on and.
Do you have a connector piece? Like how I have this? Do you have something like this?
No.
I just don't want people getting yelled at. And there's guys out here blatantly just wearing the fuck out of it. So clearly not one. Everybody here has seals. So.
Jesus.
I was like, I got smacked, so
Okay.
I'm just gonna.
Those guys have seals.
I think we had the Xbox upside down.
Oh shit.
Like the box. Because everybody else I've seen, their hoses are on top.
Other way.
Other way?
Oh no, you're good. Oh, my shoulder hurts so
I'm
bad.
fucking sweating again. There's no way I didn't hit any of that.
There's people that way.
Green?
I don't know.
Far? They're fighting that way.
Zip them over there. Yeah. I can't reach that far.
They're by that. They're by that fucking
Right over
gate,
by the
but
gate.
They're spraying those guys.
We're within range.
Yeah, they're starting to get close.
Oh,
That's a vehicle. That's a vehicle. That's a vehicle.
What's up, big dog?
Yeah, there's a vehicle. Hey, Caleb, you want to ride, Brandon? Ow, something just bit me in the eye. Oh, that hurt like a son of a bitch.
Oh, for sure.
Yeah, I got shot like 6 times and
Bill, tell me how close they are.
Something bit me in the eyebrow.
Straight down the hallway.
I can't reach another grenade, man.
Really? Would you consider this porch outside?
That's mine.
Oh!
Hard cover!
That one got me.
Serious, would you consider this porch outside or inside?
No, when they were saying earlier for full auto rules, you have to be on the stairs. For quote unquote inside outside. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yep.
Grenade! Another one! I'm glad I'm pulling on you in front of my face.
Hard cover!
You're just wasting pyro.
Just keep yelling hard cover. They're gonna throw more. It'll be fine. They'll eventually run out.
Let's go.
Hard cover!
Connor said.
Dead. No, that's direct hit on you.
I just don't get where they how they hit me.
Ow! Ow! Ow!
Hard cover again!
My hands are fucking destroyed.
You are getting fucking hit, bro.
This is fucking wild.
They'll run out.
I got your gun.
Yeah, I know.
If you tackle them more, they won't have any more to throw. So they have to come down the hallway.
You guys throw like ladies.
You gotta think.
Down, boys!
Ow!
Closer.
Hard cover yet again!
Grenade, 24. Yeah, this is yucca grenade. You're not bad.
Almost! Hard cover!
I've got your rifle, Andrew. I'm literally right inside the door.
I'm just hiding in for design.
Yeah, you did,
You love what's happening over there. I want to go to cigarette.
I was waiting for him to revive me. I was just gonna go. Whoop. Those are all sticks.
Planning on getting revived, Connor.
I do. Yeah, they're supposed to wait a few.
Yo, dead man walking!
Should we just evacuate?
Yeah, I suggest going back. Dead man, dead man, dead man.
Hard cover my ass. You guys threw literally down the lower stairs.
Can you hear me?
The one guy yelling at him is right there.
You see all these down on the right? I think that's all work. They all walk past on Longview.
Caleb. Can you put this when we get back in my pouch next to my speedo?
Guys bitching about yelling hard covered stuff.
I'm so confused. What are they bitching about? Because they're just dumb. They're wasting grenades.
They made them waste grenades, so now they're mad.
I was about to, dude, my hands got shit on.
You know what sucked? As soon as like I got up.